In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Semrush accounts without credit card. By the end, you'll have a working account and know exactly what to expect during the quick onboarding process, all without entering any payment details. First, head to Semrush's website in your browser. On the top right of the homepage, look for the sign up button and click it. You'll see two ways to get started. You can sign up with a Google account, which is the fastest route and uses your existing Google credentials, or you can create an account with an email address and a password. If you choose the email option, pick a strong, memorable password and proceed. Either path takes you to the same place, and you won't be asked for a credit card to create the account. Next, Semrush will guide you through a short onboarding to tailor the platform to your needs. This is helpful because it customizes your dashboard and recommendations. First, you'll be asked to choose the role that best describes you, such as executive or manager, team member or specialist, consultant or freelancer, business owner or entrepreneur, student or intern, or other. Pick the one that fits you best and click Continue. Then, you'll see a question about your experience with digital marketing. You can choose from needing guidance for marketing tasks, being able to work independently on most tasks, being a marketing expert, or not sure yet. Select the option that matches your comfort level and continue. This helps Semrush calibrate suggestions and tooltips so you aren't overwhelmed or underwhelmed by what you see next. Finally, you'll be asked about your main marketing focuses. Options include paid ads management, local marketing, content creation, PR, AI visibility, SEO optimization, competitor and market analysis, or not sure. You can select more than one, so feel free to check everything that's relevant to your goals. Click Continue and give it a moment to load. After a brief pause, you'll land right in your new Semrush account. No credit card required. From here, you can explore the free features, learn the layout, and get comfortable with the tools that matter to you. If you're curious about premium capabilities, look to the top bar for the Start Free Trial option. That's entirely optional. If you decide to try it, review the trial terms so you understand when it ends and whether payment details are requested later. That's it. You've created a Semrush account without using a credit card, completed the personalization steps, and you're ready to explore. Enjoy experimenting with the tools that fit your role, experience, and marketing priorities.